you've been considering a home security camera for your home, you might have come across the terms wired and wireless in your search. But what does that mean? And which is better? Or better yet, which is better for you? Today, we're getting to the bottom of the wired versus wireless security cameras debate. But before we get into it, like and subscribe for more reviews, how-tos, and videos like this from us every week. Alright, let's get into it. The whole wired versus wireless thing isn't really an apples to apples comparison because these terms don't refer to the same features. The wireless in wireless cameras refers to a wireless connection rather than an actual physical cable, while wired cameras need to be hardwired to your home's electrical system, the internet, and local storage to work. So maybe a better name for these two could be wire-free versus wired, or wireless versus offline cameras. These are the heavy-duty traditional security cameras that you might see in businesses and public areas. They work with local storage methods like NVRs and DVRs to create that kind of command center that people usually think of when they think security cameras. Wired cameras aren't quite as flexible or as easy to set up as their wireless cousins, but those hardwired connections make them better choices if 24/7 recording and video quality is a top priority for you. Some of the perks to wired cameras include consistent power and connectivity, optional internet connection, and local storage with no monthly fees. While some of the drawbacks to wired cameras are tougher installation, advanced local storage for multiple cameras, and limited portability. It's one of those situations where its greatest strength is also its greatest weakness. Wired cameras might require a lot of cabling running through your home, which could also mean a big project for you or an installation fee from the professionals. But if you're willing to either get DIY with it, hire a pro, or poke some holes in your house, a wired camera system is worth it. A few examples of our favorite wired camera brands include Lorex, Swan, and some of those from security systems like Vivint. Wireless cameras come in a huge price range from as low as $30 to over $200, and with that comes variety of features and video quality. The more expensive models can come with battery power, resolution up to 4K, and local storage built in for SD cards. And some of the best features of wireless cameras make them great for tech newbies and more casual users. The biggest perks to wireless cameras are portability, easy installation, and simple cloud storage options, while drawbacks are required internet connection and cloud storage fees. Wireless cameras are great for simple uses or when you need a camera in or outside your home ASAP. They set up fast, and you can find battery-powered options that are truly wire-free and wireless. Many have SD card slots, so you can have a basic kind of local storage, but they work best with cloud storage that also costs a small monthly fee. Wireless cameras have flooded the market these days. Check out our best wireless cameras video to see our favorites. And we've dropped a link to our latest lineup on safewise.com. Okay, so quick recap. Wired cameras are hardwired into your house, and they don't always need Wi-Fi or an internet connection to store footage. They're a great route if you want 24/7 recording from multiple cameras with reliable video quality, but they're often more expensive and much harder to set up. While wireless cameras use your home Wi-Fi network to record footage, hence wireless. These cameras are often cheaper and easier to install, but because they rely more on the internet, you're more likely to need cloud storage to save footage and get the best features. Plus, if you have a spotty internet connection, your video quality could suffer too. The better camera all depends on what you want to watch and for how long. If you want to have eyes on your home at all times, wired cameras are the way to go. They're tougher to set up and more permanent than wireless cameras, but they're more compatible with secure local storage options like NVRs and DVRs. Plus, they aren't as reliant on your home's Wi-Fi connection, so an outage won't faze them. If you're more interested in capturing snapshots around your house, like a package dropped off, or your kids getting home from school, or the dog digging in the trash, wireless cameras are the way to go. They're way cheaper and way easier to set up, but they're limited when it comes to storing lots of footage and working without Wi-Fi. Hopefully this clears up any confusion between wired and wireless cameras. Check out our lineup of the best wireless cameras here on YouTube, as well as our individual reviews on each of them. We've also dropped a bunch of helpful resources in the description about security cameras, so you can check that out below.
Hey, if you're part of the 10% of people who watched this far, or my parents, thanks for watching. Don't stop there though. We have a ton of other resources on safewise.com that you can check out, and if you like and subscribe, you'll get new videos from us every week. Thanks for watching and stay safe.